How to find your Facebook username and user ID. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your Facebook username and user ID on the Facebook app. First, I will show you how to find username and then how to find user ID. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the Facebook app. Tap here. Tap on your profile. Tap on these three dots. Scroll down. Here at the bottom you will find your username. This is your username after the /. You can tap on copy link to copy. Now to find the user ID, go back to the menu, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings, scroll down, under permission section, tap on apps and websites. Here you will see the apps and websites to which you have connected your Facebook account. The user ID is different for different apps and websites you have connected to your Facebook. If I tap on room and scroll down, here I can see the user ID. You can copy the user ID by tapping on this copy button. So this is how you can find your Facebook username and user ID.